My sister asked me to recreate this style on her natural dreadlocks. I've not done this before, but I hope to give the best of my abilities. So I looked and searched on YouTube on how to do braids. So I just recopied. Look at her, she's screaming. Hope the end result is good enough to please her. So what do you think of what I did? Waiting for your comments. Hello, great minds. How are you doing this night? This is 8 p.m. Cameroonian time. So I just saw it on YouTube and I said, let me try to reproduce. Let's see how it turns out to be. But honestly speaking, plating should be a necessity to all mothers. It should be something that all mothers are supposed to know. This is how far I have gone. My first try, please rate it. Cannot lift it more than this. She says it hurts. It hurts. So we are left just with the front. Please turn your head, miss. This one is defective, so use this little band to hold it with. It's not having this part. I don't know if you see it, the elongated part. It has kept off. So we adapt to situations. That's it. And then I double because the rulers are limited. Thank God for YouTube. Someone can learn. I just pray God the end result should be wow. So I've done part of it, as you can see. I'll do that for the entire hair. Bring it forward a bit. I've already done most of them. I'll do for the entire hair and then put in a very hot water so that I can give some beautiful curl. Beautiful curl. My head is behind. I'm shouting. This is what we have, the end result. Please, I'm waiting for your reviews. Hope to do better next time.